Hello everyone. Before installing an operating system or making any disk changes, it's important to know whether your disk is GPT or MBR, so let's quickly see how to check it on Windows. To begin, click on Start menu and type Disk Management, then select Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. Another quick way, right-click on the Start icon and select Disk Management from the menu. You can also open Run Dialog, enter the Disk Management Tool command, then click OK. All of these methods will take you to the exact same place. Once you're here, you will see all the disks and partitions available on your computer. Go to the section labeled Disk 0 or any other disk, right-click on it and select Properties. From there, switch to the Volumes tab. Here, you will see partition style. In my case, it shows MBR, which stands for Master Boot Record. There's also a faster way. When you right-click on a disk, look for the grayed out option. For example, if it says Convert to GPT disk, that means your disk is currently using MBR. And that is how you can quickly check whether your disk is formatted as GPT or MBR in Windows.